And welcome to this how-to video of Swift Cloud ERP. And in this video, I'm super excited to introduce a new update that we just added to the inventory module of Swift Cloud ERP. And this update aims to help retail, wholesale, and basically the inventory module users to much more easily enter their records. And you agree with me that we have some clients that still grapple with the challenges of timely entry of sales record, maybe as a result of maybe few staff or slow internet connectivity and things like that, and they still depend on manual writing of their sales records and all that. So what we've done now with Swift Cloud ERP is you can just simply pick up your phone and take a picture or photograph of your sales booklet. It can even be an invoice. The key thing is that you make sure you capture the name of the product or where the quantity and the amount sold is clearly displayed. Make sure you take a clear photograph and just simply upload to Swift, and it's able to pick up all these products and then add them to cart automatically. And in case it doesn't find a product, it's going to show options of products in your inventory that look like those products, so that you can just at a click of a button add the correct product to cart. In case also the product isn't even in your database at all, you have another option to at a click of a button also add it to your inventory. So it's like a three-edged sword to help our inventory users have a much more wonderful experience using our software. So let me just show you how this works. I'm going to click customers, and then I already have taken a photograph of the sales book of a business already. So you can take a look at this. You see it's just handwritten. I just took a photograph of this. So you've taken a look at this. Let's now move to let's upload this sales book into Swift and see Swift perform the magic. So I'm going to act like I want to create a new sale. So I just click new sale, and then you realize that you now have a section here where you can easily just scan handwritten. So I just click choose file here, and I pick the document from my file directory and click extract and auto add. So you see it's processing right here. So it takes a few seconds. It's going to go through and then pick out all the products, and if there is a match, it adds them to cart. So you see we have nothing in our cart so far. So let's allow it load, and we'll see what next. So you can see, let's just scroll down to our cart to see it's added one item, so it was able to find one match. So see the items that were not matched here, but this is the interesting thing. So it gets more and more interesting. So you see it finds a product named Mixer Grip and gives you 5 suggestions that look like, based on the spelling of the product. So if it wasn't Mixer Grip, it was, for example, router I wanted to add, I can just click the router, and it's added automatically. And it, of course, it uses the quantity and rate here also. And then if the item is not even in your inventory, so you have an option to add as new. So that gives us an opportunity to add as new, and I can click save and add to cart. So it has saved to the products list and has added to cart. So I can easily review my transaction just like we normally do on Swift and complete this particular order. So this is just, like I said, one of our attempts at ensuring that we help our clients overcome this challenge of maybe they don't have adequate staff and things like that, or they have problems with internet, so they can just pretty much snap and just easily enter their sales records. And I can check to see the summary. It's already hits all the relevant accounts and things like that. The sales have all been entered, and things like that. You can also go to the product, for example, and search out one of the products here. You can see posting out 2. It's already been added. I can find in the product. So that's just, and of course that means you can also edit and make changes to it, because it just added default values to it. You need to select the proper category, stock level, and all the other things that you need to do. So that's just in a nutshell what we keep doing to help our customers, add more efficiency to what our customers do. Thank you.